What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today we're on our quest to make more horsepower out of beast mode, our 2015 Hellcat. In the first video, which I'll link somewhere up here, we made 724, and that was just with an unlocked ECU, 1100 cc injectors, 285 pulley. Since then, we've done a little more work on beast mode. So now we have a 265 pulley. We have catless mid pipes. We do have a breather now. We took our oil cap off. We have a breather on here now. Other than that, that's all we've done so far. Now we'll take it back to the dyno to see how much horsepower we'll make. There's a couple things we still have to do, and that'll be in a couple more videos. We still have to pin the crank, and we still have to put a heat exchanger in here, because it kept getting hot while we were on the dyno. So without further ado, go ahead and watch this intro, and before you know it, we'll be back at Abel's.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
And just like that, we're at Abel's. So you can see some of the vehicles out here. They got a Shelby Ford over there. Nice little wagon. Corvette right inside the window over there. So they open up at 8:30, so we got about 23 minutes for them to open, and we'll see what we can make. These are Abel, Andre and JR's vets. One makes 850, the other one makes 700. So don't pull up on them unless you want that smoke. Ladies and gentlemen, they're about to load it on the dyno. tires.
Man, that's beautiful too.
That one made some power right there.
Yeah. I sent the second pull. I sent a Snapchat to my buddies. I guess it was so loud the audio cut out. They said like the last 4 seconds you couldn't hear anything.
Oh my god, this is great.
The guy that owns the header job is on. Yeah, I'd be hurt.
When tomorrow's done, it'll resume and
Yeah, you can try to squeeze. Okay.
I couldn't gun it because it wasn't tuned with the smaller pulleys. So.
Yeah. We'll get home in no time.
Put the other tune back in.
You know what I'm saying? Put it down a little.
Yeah.
Andre is kind of wondering if he should throw that Challenger on, if we should just do it tomorrow. He said he thinks he can squeeze it in tomorrow.
I feel confident in this confidence.
You're like, I'm ready to go.
Another thing sucks is they have the glare from the windows.
Oh yeah, it's hard to see through.
Yeah. That was the goal. You may have to let some air out them tires. YouTube, we made it back from Abel's. As you can see in the video, we made 804 horsepower to the wheel. So that equates to about 930, 940 at the crank, somewhere in there. You can do the math yourself. So again, we still have to pin the crank, and we still have to put a heat exchanger on here, and we also have to do dual fuel pumps if we want to make some serious horsepower. Drag radials held up well, the Mickey Thompsons, so I think we'll keep those around for a little bit longer. We're also on E85, if I didn't mention that at the beginning of the video. We're also on E85, so with E85, 1100cc injectors, and a 285 pulley, we made 724. And then with this 265 pulley and catless nid pipes, we made 804. So we started climbing the ladder. The goal was to make 1,000 horsepower. The ultimate goal was to make 1,000 horsepower with this thing. We're really, really close. And 1,000 is at the crank, not at the wheel. I don't want my wife going crazy because this is her car. So big shout out to my wife, Charlene. Love you, boo. So we'll go ahead and we'll get those things knocked out, pinning the crank, the heat exchanger, and the dual fuel pumps. And we'll go back and we'll see how much power this thing will make. So stay tuned if you want to really see how much power this thing's going to put down. As always, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for hanging around. If you would, hit the like button, hit the bell, subscribe. That way you get the notifications when we make that 1,000 horsepower mark. As always, till the next video, much love. Peace.